Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off Snapchat lenses in camera in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to turn on or off Snapchat lenses and your camera app, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your camera and here just tap on this option or go for your settings. So after settings, here you just have to scroll down and you will get the show Snapchat lenses in fun mode. Once you have enabled, you must have to tap on this agree option and you will get Snapchat lenses in your phone. Here just tap on this fun option and you will get different Snapchat lenses on your camera. If you want to turn it off, go ahead to settings again. And from here you can easily turn that option off. Once you are off, you can see there is no any fun mode available. You can easily take photos by simple photo section. So that's how you can easily turn on or off Snapchat lenses in your camera and any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.